So, welcome back everybody. Believe it or not, it's been 2 years since we bought the park home. Have we got any regrets? No, not one. Has there been any problems? Yeah, there's always problems, isn't there? Always. But nothing to do with the park home. So, people who's looking at buying one, after 2 years of us owning one, what do we think of it? Is it still a good idea? It's not a good investment, but it's given us a little bit more freedom to be aware where we want to be aware. Park homes, so many different designs, styles, characters, so many. And I've not regretted it one bit, Jan's not regretted it one bit. It's our bit of peace and tranquility and just relaxation, enjoying it. People say the prices go up each year for the rates. They do. But so does council taxes as well. The council tax at home's gone up. This has gone up. But this is like our enjoyment, what we want and what we enjoy. It's not for everybody, like I've said in the previous videos. But it's a little added bonus for us to be able to come here, relax, and just no traffic, no industrial works, no noises, and it's just a different way of life. That's all it is, a different way of life. There is a lot of negativity against park homes, holiday parks, residential homes, residential park homes, whatever you want to call them. I mean, somebody pulled me up the other week saying that I called it a van, a caravan, when it's a lodge. It's just an habit of me calling it. It doesn't mean it's... If I called it a lodge, somebody would probably pull it up and say, it's a caravan. So I couldn't win. But yeah, we love it. We love it. It's enjoying a way of life. So the answer to your question, not after 1 year, but after 2 years of owning one. Yes, and so like I said, no regrets. We're enjoying it. It's our bit of peace and, like I said, tranquility. Enjoy it. And when you come here, you're seeing your friends, your park home neighbours. That's what I call them, the park home neighbours. Like I said the other time as well, a 10-minute walk is an hour and a half. That's the way it's always going to be, I think. Always. Oh, nice and relaxing. So we're going to go back to the van now and have a nice glass of pop, sat in the chair. There's a true saying, isn't there? Once it's gone, it's gone. So you may as well enjoy yourself while you can. And that's what we're doing. Like I said, there is a lot of hidden costs. People just think it is just a park home you're buying, and it's just a van or lodge. But it's not, there's more to it. You've got all your decking to put on, your fencing, your gardening, your panelling, and then you've got your plants and everything. Like I said before in the previous video, which I'll put a link to that at the end of this video, hidden costs of buying a park home. Other than that, it's enjoyable, it's relaxing, it's quiet. That doesn't happen all the time. It's just a little bit of work being done on the site, if you can hear it. I don't know if this blanks it out a bit, but yeah, Jan wouldn't change a thing. She loves it. But it's like I say, I do understand a lot of people where they're thinking to themselves, rip off Britain and rip off this and rip off that. It does happen, and it's a bit frightening, to be honest. Like I said, the Holiday Park Action Group has mentioned a few things in that, but I have noticed a few other things with the Holiday Park Action Group as well. They ask for a lump sum up front, so for the solicitors and things like that. And nah, I wouldn't do that either. They're asking for like, I think it's £5,000 or £10,000 up front with the solicitors to help you get your money back and things like that. You're not guaranteed, but you're paying that money up front. I don't know the ins and outs of that because we've not needed to use them, and touch wood, we don't have to use them. But yeah, it's we've had the sun out today, a little bit out now, it's going in a bit, but I've been suffering with my eyes, which I've said in the previous videos. My eyes just keep watering all the time. And since wearing my glasses, it's been a lot better. Excuse me. Yeah, my eyes have been a lot better. But yeah, we enjoy it here. Enjoy it a lot. It's about relaxing. Enjoying the later part of your years, what you've got left. That's what we're doing. This is a good little thing, because obviously all you have to do on this is just press a little button on the side, link, and it stops recording or it starts recording. So it's a handy little feature just on this DJI mic. And if you want to know what I'm shooting on, I'm using the Osmo Pocket 3, the combo pack, where you get the stand, the extension, the battery adapter, and in a case as well. So that's what I'm using, and it comes with, like I said, the DJI mic as well. But yeah, any comments you've got, please leave them below. Be polite, don't be negative, and if you are thinking of doing this and there's anything I can help you with, advice wise or cost wise, or whatever you've seen in my previous videos, what I've bought, like security cameras, alarm systems, door locks, thumbprint door locks, tinted windows. We've done a lot to this, even down to like the Ring cameras, where we've got the solar panels to keep them charged up, which I think is a good idea. We've even got the Ring doorbell on here as well. So, but the only thing is, I've had to open 2 accounts because I've got the Ring cameras here and I've got them at home as well. We've had to open 2 accounts. They won't let you link them both together. So that's the only problem we have got. And hopefully tomorrow we'll do another video. We're going to hopefully get on the bikes, just for a little ride round on the bikes, because we've not been out on them for a good while yet, and Jan's itching to get out on them, and well, we both are. But, the only noise we've got really is that little bit of digging today. I don't know if you, like I say, if you can hear it, and a odd plane going over, or an helicopter. Other than that, you can hear the birds tweeting, and you pay for that, don't you? You pay for that, of that little bit of luxury of peace and quiet, just chilling out and relaxing. And yeah, I've got a can of Monster as well. They give me a bit of energy. I know people are going to say, oh, it's not good for you, that. But you know what? It tastes good. Right, on that note, another camera, another plane going over. So if there's any comments, please leave them below. Be nice, be positive, and think about yourself. Don't think about anybody else. Think about you, your partner, and your enjoyment, your relaxation, what you want to do. And Jan's here now. She's what are you doing?
Scrubbing.
What are you cleaning?
Fridge freezer.
So she's cleaning the fridge freezer out, because we're going to be a bit here a lot longer this time. Well, a lot more. Ah, this is the life. So many things planned for this year, and all year we've got things planned for. The job's going all right, but it's tiring. That's what's good about just coming here and relaxing. So I'll catch you all soon on the next one. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening to me babble on. And I hope you enjoyed this little bit of a chat, a little bit of a talk. And thanks for watching. Bye for now.